To get started with the Dojo CLI, the first thing we'll need to do is install it via npm. You can do that with npm install -g at Dojo CLI and Dojo CLI create app. The Dojo CLI is a modular system, so there's the base Dojo CLI. There's also the CLI create app that's used for scaffolding applications, and there's even a CLI create widget you can use to create widgets for your applications. And there's other CLI tooling that you'll use later on. So let's go ahead and create our first Dojo application. You can use that with the command Dojo create app name my Dojo app. That's going to go ahead and scaffold our application, and it's going to go ahead and run all npm install to install all the dependencies. Once all the dependencies for your application have been installed, we can go ahead and take a look at the app itself. Now, if we look at the application that we get from the Dojo CLI, you'll see that we get a basic application that includes routing, and it also includes a series of widgets. And it also is going to come with unit tests that you can use as a base for you to write your own test for your application. Okay, with our Dojo application installed, let's go ahead and run npm run dev so we can see what the application looks like. If we look at what npm run dev does, it actually runs the Dojo build command in development mode, and then we're going to tell it to go ahead and watch for any file changes, and we're going to run it in a local server so that as we update the application, it'll go ahead and reload the browser for us. Okay, so here's our Dojo application up and running. Remember, our Dojo application comes with routing built in. So we have our home page, the about page, and then the profile page. And we go ahead and start fleshing out our application from here.